Welcome. Today I'll be reviewing a wireless microphone I bought newly. Okay, so follow me, and at the end of the whole thing, you can make a purchase. All right, I will have a link for US and for Nigerian users so that they can purchase it. People from Nigeria can get that from Jumia, and US you can get that from Amazon, as well as people from the other parts of the world. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here is the product. Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Help me with this spelling, please. Okay, I have this type which I use for my PC right now. That is what I use in recording of this video. But it only works in Android as well. But it also works in Android. Why I made this order is because I need the one I will be using with my iPhone as well. So this works for both Android and for iPhone. All right. So let me now unbox it. So for you to open it, just drag, pull out this, okay? And let's now read through this to see some features. Before I go into the features proper, I want to say something. One thing I like about this microphone is that it has a good noise reduction capacity. Are you getting it? So that's the beautiful thing, because if you're recording a video with a microphone and the background is still noisy, it doesn't make any sense. So that's one beautiful thing I like about it. So, but now let's now read through some other features. Here you can see plug and play. That means once you plug it, turn on the lights, you are good. You start playing. 20 meters of accessible reception. So when you stay 20 meters, it can still work. Okay. So distance to some extent is not a barrier. The next option is precise radio. Beautiful. Then clear timbre. That's another one. It records clearly. And we have high sensitivity and widely compatible. That's another advantage. So when you are getting this, you know that once you get it, you can use it for your PC, you can use it for your Android device, you can use this for your iPhone. Are you getting it? So it's something beautiful and cool. All right. Then by the side, it shows us what we can do with it. We can use it for live show, we can use it for interview, and we can use it for vlog short videos. Okay, I bought this for YouTube as well as for my Facebook, Twitter, and which other social media am I in? TikTok. All right, so you can do a lot for you. So when you get it, and you know that at least it can serve you for a very long time, and you don't need to break the bank before you can get it. It's something very affordable. By the time I have the link in the description, you go and see for yourself. You know that it's something you can always get, okay, to maximize productivity. Okay, all right. So let's now get to the part itself to see something inside of it. All right, you can see I have this here, which is the adapter. Very tiny stuff. Don't worry, when we fix it, you see how it works. Then I have this, which is the transmitter. You can call it microphone as well. All right, it's something very cool. There are two. This is number one, and this is, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, and this is the number two. So you can be using one at a point to switch to another. Okay, so it's something nice. But if you want to use the two of them, no, don't use two of them, just finish with one. Maybe after the time you change and start using another one. You have only one mouth. Do you have two mouths? No, you have one. All right, this is the receiver. Okay, this is the receiver. Okay, which receives the sound we speak. Okay, and this is the transmitter, which you can still call microphone. There are two, but this one is one. All right. Then we have a box here. There's something inside of it, but let's open it to know what's inside. From here, you can know what is here, okay? It's nothing else but the cable which you can use for the charging of your device, okay? For the charging of the microphone, all right? So if you want to charge this um parts, plug in this here and then put this USB ports in a charging port, all right? And it will charge. For you to know that this has run down, it will give you a sound. Sometimes when it will give you a sign, sometimes when you record, it will not be clear again. All right. Also, if you want to charge this, all you need is plug in here and then put this one in power source, this USB port, and you are good. It will charge. Okay. Once it is filled up, you will see an indication that it is filled up. Okay, now I will then play this in my use it to record in my iPhone for you to see the quality of the sound we get. So let's do it. Okay, here let me show you how I set it up. First, first you have it in this part, okay? This is the connector and this is the other part of it, okay? Then for you to use it on iPhone, first plug in this connector, okay? Once you plug in the connector, then plug this. All right. It's plug and play. All right. So this is turned on already. What I will do is I'll get the other part. So this is the microphone part of it. So I will power it on. There is a power button here. So press and hold until you see a green light. You can see there's a green light here. And you are good. So the connection is now established. So I can start recording what I want to record. Okay. Welcome to Godwin Tech. In Godwin Tech, we do a lot of things about tech tutorial. We teach you on how to use your computer, we teach you on how to use your Android device, and we teach you on how to use your iPhone. Also, we go deeper and teach you how to use many applications that run on both computers and smartphones. So always subscribe to this channel to learn something new. Okay, I hope you heard that sound. It's clear and cool, all right? So go ahead and make purchase of this microphone. I have covered a lot of things you need to know about it. I want to set it up, and I believe this guide is helpful. Please, if it does, do not just leave, okay? Hit that subscribe button for me if you are not subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment so that I will know how you feel about this product. If you have anything you want to ask, please do ask me and I will answer you, okay? And then hit that like button for me. See you next time.